Hi, I am Durai. You are welcome to Geo Info by YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon every time I upload the new videos. Go to our website www.geoinfoby.com. Go to our website page if you are watching YouTube videos and current affairs and events and health awareness on related works and coaching classes of competitive exam, requirements exam and study materials and personal skill development and counseling and virtual classes and weekly exam and jobs placement, etc. You have to the dream before your dreams. Can you come your truth? So follow up our social media network, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So stay more connect with me, watch and share it and subscribe. Thank you. Stay with us. So you can see here. So everything we can change it 170 words you can put here. So he see here, I wish you bring to your kind attention. Here sir, I would like to bring back your kind attention. So this is red color, green color, you can see here, you can change it for here. This software is very helpful for them, especially relevant at grammar checking, image test, word counter, changing the margin boards and change the test guides and spelling checkers. So many is very helpful for them, these softwares. The article spinner is this way. This stopper is duplicate checker. This is very helpful for them. You can check your article reviewer also. You can see here, for example, how the red color is changes is here. So that like the duplicate checker.com completely package you can do for them. Very helpful. Next one is small SEO tools. This is very good software I can use personally for them, especially plagiarism checker. You are a supposed researcher, very helpful term. You check your plagiarism, your thesis related, your dissertation, an article rewrite. Suppose if you have sentence, you can change it for them. You can do grammar checker and word counter, spelling checker, and processing tools and MT5 generator. This all links I given description. You can see and utilize for them if you want to record. If your students are a worker or you are a researcher, very helpful for them. BG or UG for PhD. So all kind of students very helpful this software. Don't skip the video, watch continuously and subscribe to my channel also. Transfer to language English test images is there and revenge image search is there, local maker is there and same time image comparison is there. Video GF is there, next one generation and crop is there. Convert to JPG, RPG, IGX, PG to JPG, JPG to PNG. Like so many you can do for them. And keywords tool is there. Keyword position, keyword terms, competition related to keyword finders and long tail keywords is there and SEO keywords is there. Link live keyboard analysis is there and keyboard overview tools is there. Keyboard difficulty checker is there. Paid keyboard is there and backlink tools also is there. You can use like backlink checkers and website if you want anything you can open. You can check everything upside links also everything. You can read on website manage tools also is there. You can utilize and go and check for them. So much and website tracking tools also is there. And Fox tools is there. Domains tool also is there. MTP tag tools also is there. And password managing tools also. Online PDF tools also is there. You can convert whatever compress whatever you can, especially students watermark development tools also is there. And Unity converter tools also is there. It's just like so many is there is very good software. And personally I can use, I can feel better. If you want to, you can utilize this one, guys. Next software is rewritable tools. So I will show one demo. Everything so now previous also the everything same like here. Already I copied here one sentence bang some issues. I copied here same like here. You can see here what are the problem here that paragraph. For example, any new schemes are opening for them, any new schemes opening beginning time to spot like financial session that red color, green color, blue color, whatever that. So every sentence say changes will be coming. You see this I'm given uploaded what the suggestion. So unique articles you can be review tools of .com. This also very helpful for them. You can use for them article rewriting and paragraph tools is there and article spinner, grammar checker and word counter. Everything is there very helpful for them. I will be show the demos also. This is also another software pre-post SEO.com. This also one of the same like process. You can paste here. You can download your report checker and plagiarisms are that also your researcher or college students or PhD, whatever they your MSc, BSc, whatever students you can utilize for them. So very helpful for them. This is also very online free. You can plagiarism grammar, keyword and paragraphs, whatever there you can check also. Also is a primary plan also there you can utilize and you can register. And everything I give the description and link. Don't give click the bell icon and see below my description link to all the website links also. Another one is same like is the this also you can see article rewritables and here the text was changes. We already I copied here. You can change here or whatever the you can scbagon.com. This is also very article rewritables, very helpful on article tools, plagiarism websites and key tools and so many is there. You can utilize domain, image, and whatever there, etc. If you want to say mainly article rewrite of works and grammar checking back counter, very helpful. The you can see the right side so many is there. Whatever you want to you can utilize for them. This SEO very helpful software for researcher or college students. Next one is freearticlespinner.com. This also one of the another website. This also you can utilize for them. Freespinner.com. This website is mainly helpful for them. I think this is so this is already given input. Sorry, so you see here freearticlespinner.com. This is another website already I given here. So I am not robot selected here. If after selected not robot, next I go on down here, spin test I will be given here. So automatically change the spin test. So here you see there come they will be going on process. After output will be come here. Input I given here, output will be given. You see here I wish you bring your kind attention. So here I wish you bring you kind plant consideration likes they're given. So many words are changes here. For example, whatever you can see sentence hope I here that here I trust the changes for them. So this is very helpful for students and article person and review person who review articles in person. Very helpful for them. This software is. Next we go another one is SEO magnifairs.com. This is also one of the things same work everything thing no need to I can repeat it same like copy and given for them you can change it for your like. So very very helpful for them. You can do rewrite your articles, everything will become for them. I think this picture says everything you can see here. Simply your copy here and I'm not robot given, so automatically the result will be coming whatever the next one is search engineer reports.net. This is also another software processing tool is there we can utilize for them. First like so you can paste it your articles here and processing and step out review suggestion and done by unique article. This is going on. Next one is yes